right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do.
Number 1, musiki. Musiki. In English, creator. Creator. Number 2, mubereki. Mubereki. In English, parent. Parent. Number 3, mubvunzo. Mubvunzo. In English, question. Question. Number 4, mutemo. Mutemo. In English, law. Law. Number 5, mugove. Mugove or mupeo. Mupeo. In English, share. Share. Number 6, bopoto. Bopoto. In English, uproar. Uproar. Number 7, demo. Demo. In English, X. X. X.